Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to discuss about the points that are distracting our online studies. Now most of your time you are watching the trending news that are trending on your YouTube channels, Instagram, Twitter, even on the TV news channels. A same news is reflected and most of your time is engaged watching all that stuff. So, due to this, all your online learning is neglected. Since we are dependent on online learning, there are some distractions no matter what. But avoiding these distractions, we still have to focus on it. Now, these social medias, what they do, they just pop up all the trending things and you just get indulged into it. Okay? So, to avoid all this, we are going to discuss some points that will concentrate you on your online learning. Okay, so today's this video is based on that how you can concentrate on your online learning. Okay, so without any further delay, we will start with the video. Now, everyone has a specific time for their online study. Okay. Now, taking that into consideration, you must pick a good time for your online learning. Now, you must be thinking, what is a good time? Good time is that time where you feel fresh, you are happy, you're full of energy, you're done with all your other responsibilities that you perform in your daily work. So, after that, completion of all your responsibility, the time where you're free, that time is your good time. That is the appropriate time you can start with your online learning. And this time cannot be influenced by your distractions since everything is done. So always have a good time because this good time can let you concentrate wholly on your online learning. Okay. Now, before you begin with your online studies, you need to get organized. Organized in the sense is you need to gather all the necessary materials that are required for your online learning. Like if you are using any online devices like any mobile, tablet, laptop, you need to get it at one place. Headphones, earphones, your notepad, notebook, pens, pencil, calculator, whatever the resources you are using in your online learning, before starting online learning, you need to get all these things organized. It must not be like that, okay, the online lecture is started and you are in search of all these resources. So, due to this search of your materials, your distraction is likely to get in your online learning. So your interest will be also lost in your online learning. So this is the utmost importance that you need to get all these stuff organized. Okay, you need not to rush on the time when you are learning. Like, okay, the lecture is started and you are in search of your materials. So this is the very important point. Get all the things organized. Students, I want to ask you a question. Why are you learning? Now, this is a very general question. Why are you learning? Now, you must be learning because you must have set a goal that, okay, I will be learning now so that I can set my future, to seek a good job, to earn some remuneration. Okay, so this is very important. While you are studying, you need to set a goal. It will be of no use when you have not set any goal that why are you studying. Just ask yourself that why you are studying. You are studying to get good knowledge, to show that knowledge to the world, to show your capabilities, to show your abilities, so that you can seek a good job and show your performance, show your skills. Okay, without setting goal, it will be of no use of your studying now. It will be just like, okay, for the sake of studying you are learning all the stuff. It shouldn't be the case. Okay, so have that thinking that okay, I am studying right now with a goal to get good knowledge, to seek job. Okay, set goal before you start with your study. Let's just say you are learning. Now you get notifications from your social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Immediately you just rush towards it and see what are the messages. Okay, so that must be avoided for like just 1 or 2 hours. Avoiding that messages can help you concentrate on your study. If you will get distracted towards that social media like Facebook, Instagram, all the social medias, it is a very obvious thing that you are going to neglect your studies. So that shouldn't happen. You need to control your all these notifications that you are getting from your social media accounts, though you are active on it, but for 1 or 2 hours not looking at it will not harm any of your plans. So just for 1 or 2 hours concentrate fully on your studies, keeping all these distractions aside. So remove all these distractions while you are studying. As we all are at home and we have started online learning from home. Now there is a possibility that when you are learning online, what students will do, they'll just plug the earphones to their phones and start the online learning and put their phones into their pockets and will just roam around in the house, like just go into the kitchen, have some snacks, watch TV, even chat with their friends on WhatsApp, whatever the social media they must be using. So all these tasking you need to avoid it. Okay, when you are learning online. If you want to achieve any particular thing in your life, if the focus is very important in achieving that goal. So whatever task you are performing, always stay focused into that. It shouldn't be like that you are doing multitasking, all your focus is disturbed. Okay, so focus is very important. Why it is important? If you will focus right now, the things you are grasping, like the information you are taking right now, this will help you in your future to develop your skills. Okay, so always stay focused while performing a particular task. Before this pandemic, we were performing all the curricular activities in group, like playing, studying, all the other stuff you were doing in a group. Now what has happened in this online learning, you are a whole soul learner in this online learning. No other group is involved in this. So what you can do at this time, just form a virtual group where you all can discuss the points that are discussed in your online learning, ask each other queries that you have faced in online learning. So if you haven't understood it in a single form, your friend can explain you in that virtual group. So always have a group that will help you to solve all the problems related to your study. So the points we have discussed in this today's video, I hope you all understood it. And all these points try to adopt in your daily routine. I'm sure this will definitely help you to concentrate on your studies irrespective of all the distractions that we have already discussed. Okay, so if you did like this video, hit that like button, share with your friends, with your parents who is facing all these problems while learning. They will definitely find this video a solution to all their problems. Comment your suggestions, anything you want to ask me, I will definitely answer that. And subscribe to my channel. Click that bell icon to get all the new notifications of my video. Till then, goodbye.